Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add Google Analytics to Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you need to create a Google Analytics account. So type googleanalytics.google.com and create an account, and after creating account, click on admin and now click on create property. And now here you have to set up your property, so give here property name, and you can change the time zone, also you can change currency, and click on show advanced options and turn on create universal analytics property. You have to enable this option, and now enter here your website URL. So enter your website URL here and then click on next. And click here and select your industry category and select the business size. Click on create. Okay, after that click on property settings, and here you'll find this tracking ID option. So copy this tracking ID from here and now open your Shopify admin panel and click on online store and click on preferences. Scroll down and here you'll find these Google Analytics options. So paste your Google code here and click on save. You can check this option and click on save. And this is how we can add Google Analytics to our Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.